Nurse Paul, I'd like to discuss a staffing adjustment. We're expecting a surge in patients next week, and I need to allocate resources accordingly.
Sure, Mihira. What do you have in mind?
I'd like you to take over the care of Mr. George from Nurse Sharma. Nurse Sharma is a junior staff member, and I believe you could provide her with valuable mentorship while handling Mr. George's case.
I understand. Mr. George is a complex case, but I'm confident in my abilities to manage his care. However, I'm concerned about the impact this change might have on Nurse Sharma.
I've considered that. This is a great opportunity for Nurse Sharma to learn from a more experienced nurse. It will help her develop her skills and gain confidence. We can provide her with additional support and resources to ensure a smooth transition.
That's a good point, Mihira. I'm willing to take on Mr. George's case if it benefits Nurse Sharma's growth.
Thank you for your flexibility. This will help us ensure optimal patient care and support the development of our junior staff.
Mihira, a lot of people haven't had much experience with mindfulness or other relaxation techniques, and it's normal to feel unsure about trying something new. Stress can sometimes make it harder to focus on your goals, and practices like deep breathing, mindfulness, or even short meditation sessions can help you feel more centered and in control. For example, deep breathing exercises are a simple way to calm your mind and body. Just taking a few slow, deep breaths can help reduce tension, and it's something you can do anywhere. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment without judgment, taking time to really notice how you're feeling, both physically and emotionally. And meditation doesn't have to be long or complicated, even 5 to 10 minutes a day can help clear your mind and reduce stress. Do you have any concerns or questions about starting these?